Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to convert a regular one-page document into a two-page column newsletter. And to do that, this is assignment 7 on your word processing assignment list. To do that, we first need to go to your Canvas account, into the word processing unit, and under assignments there's one here called ACE Company Newsletter Document. We're going to open that up. And here it is. Somebody has attempted to do a company newsletter. It looks pretty amateurish. It's just a one-page document. It just looks kind of silly. So we're going to make this look more professional. Now, first thing you're going to need to do is, if you have any pictures in it, and here there are some, you could insert your own if you wanted, if you were doing your own assignment, your own work. Okay, you'll click on the picture and make sure you come up to, double-click on it, and come up to where it says Format, go to Wrap Text, and be sure to choose Through Text. Choose Through. That way you can move it anywhere you want, and the words adjust around it so that no matter where it goes, you can see the picture. Okay, so there's one picture I formatted. The other picture is down here. We're going to click on this, and I'm going to again come up to Wrap Text and choose Through. And there it is. No matter where I move it, the words flow around it so it looks the way it's supposed to. Okay, we want to make this look like a magazine article. Now, the first thing we're going to have to do is to highlight the text. And I'm going to start, the main heading is okay just the way it is. It's the text that I'm concerned about to make it two-column. I'm going to click and highlight the entire page of the document. Notice how the right margin is ragged and the left margin is nice and straight. Well, we need to justify both sides. Justify means to make them even. Left on the left side will be nice and even, right side will be nice and even. All we have to do is to come up to the Home tab, Paragraph Grouping, and click on the center button right there. Click on the center, and oh, I'm sorry, not center. I meant to choose. I meant to choose the Justify left and right. So see, choose the Justify left and right, and now it looks like a magazine article, or a page in a book. That's good so far. Now, next thing we want to do is to make this a two-column layout, and to do that, we just leave it highlighted. Come up to the Page Layout button, come down to where it says Columns, click on Columns, and choose 2. And now we have a two-column format. Now, I'd like to make this look a little bit more professional. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert drop capitals. Now, you'll see what I mean in a minute. I'm going to highlight the first letter of each paragraph, one at a time, of course. So I highlight the first letter of the first paragraph. Then I come up to the Insert tab, and I come over to Drop Capital button. I click on that, and I'm going to select the option 1 because I want to control how it looks. So Drop Capital button, choose Drop Capital Options. And now we're going to choose the dropped one where it looks like the sample dropped. I'll click on the button for dropped. Now it says how many lines to drop. Well, 3 is too many. I'm going to make it 2. And I'll click OK. And there you have it. Now it looks more professional. Now let's take the next one, the first letter of the next paragraph, highlight it. It's on Insert. Come over to Drop Capital. Choose Drop Capital Options. Choose the drop button that looks like this. Change it to, instead of 3 lines, make it 2 lines. Click OK, and so forth. And we'll go through each of these letters and make them drop cap options, drop, make it 2 spaces, OK, and so forth. I've only got a couple more to do, so let me just finish them. Highlight the letter, drop cap options, click the dropped, click 2, OK, and then go down to my last paragraph, highlight it, and drop cap Top cap options, dropped, and make it 2, and click OK. Now all done except for one thing. This picture isn't where it belongs. I'm going to move it somewhere else. Just move it wherever it makes sense, so it looks pretty good. There you go. It's as simple as that. That's all there is to making this thing work. All right. Well, although this one doesn't look very good. With this picture, I'm going to move it a little bit, so the words flow around it a little bit better. Put it in a place where it looks good. And the pictures generally are, you put them in place. If this paragraph is about disk drives and you want to put a picture about a disk drive, that's fine. Here's a picture actually of San Antonio, Texas, because I didn't have anything else to put in. But whatever you want, you can put in something that's appropriate to newsletter. Okay, that's all there is to creating it. Properly done. This assignment takes about 2 minutes to do. Good luck, everyone.